welcome back to the Oh So and So. Well, we're at it again. Now we're on our way to Red Boiling Springs, the Southern Marketplace. We're about
3 miles.
3 miles. So you never know. There is rain in the forecast, but it's inside, so that's good. I'll turn this around and I'll show you the venue and how you say it. Okay. See you then.
Good looking stock.
Yeah. It's a cute area. So, everything is so green.
Except where they're fixing the plant.
I know it.
700 feet. We're gonna turn
700 feet. You're going to turn right there at that stop sign. Oh, I love all these old houses.
Guns out in the country, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then right back to the left, it looks like right there on Happy Hollow.
Is it on Happy Hollow?
That's where they're saying.
Oh, there it is. There's the sign. There's your sign. There's your sign, Todd.
Here you go.
Look how pretty.
8 signs. 1.8 miles.
I could just see this with snow. How
You
pretty.
would never see it with snow. You'd stay in the house.
I know, but I could just see it. I mean, when I was growing up, when we lived out in the country, the road looked just exactly like this, and it was so pretty when it snowed.
I believe that was a makeout spot there on the side of that.
Did you know we're filming, Todd?
Well, I still thought that.
Todd, did you know we're filming?
I do. And you know I don't care.
Well, we're hoping those clouds just kind of push away very quickly.
We'd not to find anything out of
Woo!
here. Like another car driving too fast driving through here.
Oh me. Okay. I'm gonna put this down. We'll start it back in just a little bit. Oh, this is even prettier. Look at that.
Less than half a mile.
Oh. I know. It's time to relax.
For you, then I got to get to work over here.
Well, I do too.
You just relax. I'll get it out and then you go to work.
I just love all this. This is so pretty. Look at that. Oh.
Maybe there'll be a for sale sign out there.
Well, now let's don't get crazy, okay?
This is where we're going to turn.
Where?
Sign.
Oh, down there, the little sign. Okay.
I think this is going to be it.
Well, here's the farm. No, it.
Well, it says half a mile.
Half a mile.
Log house over there. Looks like they had a lot of livestock over here with these barns the way they are.
Yeah. I mean, I know those clouds mean rain.
Look at that.
They sure-
Look at that house back over there.
Where, Miss? Oh, guys. Oh.
Point 3, we turn left.
Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that one. Did you see the quilt? Well, what do you call those when they're on the barn?
Nope, we're fixing to be here. This is it right here, I think.
Okay. Looks like we've made it.
Now the question is,
Where to park? Oh, what a cool barn.
I think we're gonna be in this red one, I bet.
I don't
Maybe
know.
in the big white. It's Justin's trailer right there. It's gonna be an event.
Yes.
That's not Justin's. That's Justin's.
Oh, scared of me.
Ah, the old so-and-so.
The old so-and-so, aren't y'all cute?
And we're supposed to be, I think we're close to Justin and Mallory.
Well, tell me who that is.
Okay, guys. You know I always have to check the bathrooms out. Look how nice. Look at this. Nice. Alrighty. Well, you know I had to show you. Alrighty, back to work. Okay, guys. We finally finished. I know it all looks similar, but it's definitely put together differently. Yes, I brought my quilts. They're only cover for the tables. And my theme was red, white, and blue, or flags. We got watermelons, coverlet balls, enamelware. I really like my bows and my flags. Todd even helped me put stuff out. I think he did a good job. Now,
Justin did it 1 hour to the square.
he did. I'll definitely film tomorrow. Alrighty. What time is it?
4:42.
4:42. That's not too bad. Because we got here at what?
1:30.
1:30? I'm getting the hang of this, guys. Alrighty. Okay, so we've made it back home, and we stopped at Sammy B's for dinner, and I'm getting ready to put this video on. There are so many different kinds of booths there, and this farm is absolutely gorgeous. There are several different vendors there. I saw clothes, home decor, antiques. So I hope if you get a chance to come out, I hope you check it out. I would definitely put the address on the screen. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.